Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha kashpautrek kula lengkot ulalumi kejingelang bat kihe sorkar. Na gebenta ban penlong ya kejing rakhe ya kejing dap sanpos nem Kejela Meghalaya ha ka arpoi terik mentau benai. Bat kejingelang kalashim mekarai bakan yat bat syakmat ban penlong ya kene kejing rakhe. Tangba kan umlong syuk kebahe namar kejing sapriang kejing pang COVID-19. Habai keren beginong pathai kubor Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba ka sorkar jela kan ya chakmat ban rakhe ya ka jingdap san pos nem ka jela ha Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex ha kanong ba Shillong. Hendrai ka jing rakhe kan omdai ka bahe kumbala penkre namar ka jing sapriang uknyang Omicron ba lakmi linti bandon kumbalai hajar ngut ki briau ka ban longkat kum ka jing bot ki kendon jing betha. Kata laipo na ka shispa bat kiwe ki distrik ru kin ye online ni ka jing rakhe ka balong ha kanong ba Shillong. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bak sorkar kadang abru ban yo ekejing pentip nak office jong menteri Rangba Adokari ban pentip lau Narendra Modi unwan ban yashim bentan em hakejing rakhe ya ka jing yo yang ka jing dap san pos nam kejela ne ka jublik siar uletho bak sorkar kadan kejing temu ban sedang ya ki lais pa atli project habar osisnam bat kumta larai ba on sedang sisen sedang ya barok kinik project. Mereka sorkar kan sedang syuatang arteli projek akas ngiba penlong ya kejing rakhe ya ka Meghalaya de.
Basically today we had a meeting to discuss on the 21st of January, which is the 50 years Golden Jubilee celebration of the state. So the government has decided that we will be having the celebrations, but the celebrations will be on a much lesser scale as compared to what we had planned before the outbreak of the Omicron variant. So we will be having an official program on the 21st at 11 o'clock in JN Complex. And there we expect that in a hangar where we can accommodate close to 3,000 plus people, we will be going with the protocols of having 30% only. And in those 30%, we'll be having people from all over the place who will be participating in that program. Different programs will take place during that time. And all the other districts will also be connecting online they'll be connecting online to Shillong program and participating through the internet. So they will not be having separate programs, but everybody will coordinate and connect with this Shillong program. So that's what has been finalized. We are also waiting for a confirmation from the Honorable Prime Minister's office whether they will be attending the program or not. But we have not got any final word yet. But the program is being planned accordingly. And once we get a confirmation whether he's coming or not, then accordingly further details of the program will be decided. And through the year, as we go along, we have listed, in fact, close to about 300 projects that are there. And we will as the year goes on, we have decided that rather than inaugurating things on one day on that 50 years on the Golden Jubilee, we will inaugurate them through the year so that the meaningful the meaning increases. There is more local participation, and every project's value that is there must come out, and people will see the actual importance of those projects. So we do have projects, 50 projects that are there. In fact, we have more than 50 projects, but we feel that we need to give that importance to it, and we will do it throughout the year. And we will not have it in one go. But there will be one or two very important projects that will be taken up on that particular day, which we will announce on the 21st itself.
Ha kabedai bagajing sapriang ka klam COVID-19 ha kejela. Menteri Rangba ulong ba kum bakalong menta ka sorkar kam don jing temu ban penjari ye kejing khangdam. Kenang bakanom kata ka kamai kaji jong dipat ba. Nrai lada ka jinglong jingman ka snio bha on hab ban shim mekarai. Bat dai halor kan ikanong rem bag sorkar jela kala shim ki babon kilat jingada rengkat ke jingkar pat ki pat ba bikin long ki bapikir ulong ba ka bakong san bha bat ka badan kam menta ka dai ban phai khmat bha ha ka bedai ba ka jing poi hospital ki breu ndrai kom ba kalong menta ka jinglong jingman ha ka jela kalong ka badang biang bat kidang bon bha ki jakathia ha ki hospital Menteri Rangba ulakan tu ki pat ba nong song snong bagi dai ban mi syakmat ban shim ketika bat ban bot renti yaki kendon jing betha.
As of now, we of course are seeing the numbers rise, but as we have been mentioning earlier also, that it is important for the state to ensure that we are looking at now the hospitalization rates and the people who are in the ICU and people who require beds and the hospital beds. So therefore, we are going to focus on that because we are seeing that Omicron is not, or the current wave, whether it's Delta or Omicron or a mix of both, we are seeing that the hospitalization rate is not as high compared to what it was in the last wave. So therefore, as a government, we feel strongly that at this point in time, the number to really focus on is the hospitalization rate. And as of now, things are very much under control, and we have enough beds available. So therefore, we are keeping a watch on the situation. But yet again, I would like to urge everybody to focus on two aspects. One is vaccination. You must get vaccinated. And number two, you must follow your protocols in terms of wearing masks and other protocols, because this is a very critical time, and this is a time when this virus is spreading. And the only way to ensure that it does not affect you or your family is to follow the protocols and get vaccinated.
Is there any chance to impose?
No, there is no decision yet. In all likelihood, we will not go ahead with that because we want to ensure that livelihood is not affected. But obviously, if the situation goes beyond a certain point, then we will be forced to take decisions. And that's why we are taking precautionary measures and requesting people to also be careful. A lot of people have come forward for the booster dose. It's just started, in fact, the booster dose for 60 plus and for frontline workers. So it will happen. In fact, our vaccination percentage in terms of the one vaccination has also crossed 70% now. So we are really going aggressively in terms of our vaccination, and we are hopeful that based on this election mode that we're having, we should be able to cover more and more population through the state.